Asia, a land of diverse beauty and enchanting cultures where hospitality is not just a practice but a revered tradition. This vast continent is home to an array of vibrant societies, each with its unique customs and traditions. A common thread woven into the fabric of these societies is the importance of hospitality. In Asia, to welcome a guest is considered an honor. It's an opportunity to showcase the richness of one's culture, the warmth of one's heart, and the depth of one's humanity. In particular, in several Asian countries, women play a pivotal role in this age-old tradition. From the gentle smiles that greet you upon arrival to the graceful gestures that bid you farewell, these women embody the spirit of their respective cultures. They are the keepers of their heritage, the custodians of their customs, and the ambassadors of their nations. Join us as we traverse this vast continent, unveiling the top 5 Asian countries where beautiful women are permitted to warm guests. But wait, before we begin, please subscribe to ensure that you never miss out on any of my crucial stuff. Comment "I subscribe" below and I will personally welcome you to our community. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Philippines, famously known as the Pearl of the Orient. A land of more than 7,000 islands, the Philippines is not just known for its breathtaking landscapes and diverse wildlife, but also for its warm-hearted, hospitable people, particularly their beautiful women. Filipino women, with their enchanting smiles and radiant personalities, are the epitome of beauty, grace, and charm. Their beauty is not just skin-deep, but it's their kindness and hospitality that truly sets them apart. In the Philippines, welcoming guests is not merely a custom, but a cherished tradition deeply ingrained in their culture. The Filipinas, as the women are fondly called, play an essential role in these ceremonies. They greet their guests with a beaming smile, making them feel immediately at home. This exceptional warmth and hospitality is something that is passed down through generations, a testament to the Filipinos' strong sense of community and family values. And it's not just about the warm welcome. The Filipinos have a unique way of making their guests feel special. Whether it's their melodious voice singing traditional songs, their graceful dance steps during cultural performances, or their delectable home-cooked meals, everything they do is infused with love and care. They have this inherent ability to turn even the simplest of events into a memorable experience. Moreover, the Philippines is also home to some unique customs and traditions. One such is the mano po, a gesture of respect where younger individuals touch the hand of their elders to their forehead. It is often performed when welcoming guests, adding a touch of reverence and humility to the ceremony. In the Philippines, hospitality is not just a practice but a way of life. It is a reflection of their strong sense of kinship and community, a testament to their enduring values of respect and care. If you ever get the chance to visit this tropical paradise, you will be greeted with open arms and warm smiles, making you feel like part of their extended family. Indeed, the Philippines offers an unforgettable blend of beauty and warmth. Next, we journey to Thailand, the land of smiles, our 4th destination. Thailand, a country that is as well known for its tropical beaches and ornate temples as it is for its beautiful women. In Thailand, beauty is not merely skin-deep. It extends far beyond the physical, intertwining with the cultural fabric of the nation. Thai women, with their delicate features and radiant smiles, play a significant role in the country's hospitality. Their grace and charm are not just natural gifts, but also a reflection of the nation's deep-rooted traditions and customs. Thailand's culture places great emphasis on respect, politeness, and the importance of maintaining social harmony. In Thai society, women are the pillars of the family, the caretakers of the home, and the nurturing force of the community. Their warmth and kindness make them excellent hosts, welcoming guests with open hearts and radiant smiles. This warmth is not just a social expectation, but a sincere expression of their nature. One unique aspect of Thai culture is the wai, a traditional form of greeting involving a slight bow with the palms pressed together in a prayer-like fashion. It's a gesture of respect and a symbol of the gracious Thai hospitality. The wai, often accompanied by the charming smile of a Thai woman, is a heartwarming welcome that leaves a lasting impression on visitors. Another remarkable element of Thai culture is the importance placed on inner beauty. Thai women are appreciated not just for their physical attractiveness, but also for their inner qualities, their kindness, humility, and generosity. This focus on inner beauty adds a unique depth to the concept of Thai beauty, making it more profound and meaningful. So, if you're seeking a travel destination that offers not just stunning landscapes, but also a warm welcome, Thailand is the place to be. Here, you're not just a visitor, but a respected guest. The beauty of Thai women, both inside and out, combined with their gracious hospitality, makes a visit to Thailand a truly memorable experience. Guests in Thailand are always greeted with a warm smile and a welcoming heart. Moving on to our third destination, we find ourselves in Japan, the land of the rising sun. Japan, an island nation known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and its people's reputation for impeccable manners and politeness. The Japanese believe in the philosophy of omotenashi, which translates to selfless hospitality. This concept is deeply ingrained in their culture, making them some of the most hospitable people in the world. In the heart of this culture, Japanese women play a significant role. Known for their timeless beauty and grace, they embody the essence of Japanese tradition. Their elegance is reflected in their every gesture, every smile, every bow. They exude a charm that is both captivating and soothing. But their allure goes beyond mere physical beauty. It is their inner strength, resilience, and commitment to their roles that truly sets them apart. One such role is their participation in the traditional Japanese tea ceremony, a ritual that is steeped in history and symbolism. The ceremony, known as chado, or the way of tea, is a time-honored practice that showcases the Japanese art of hospitality. The women who conduct these ceremonies, the tea masters, are revered figures. They dedicate years to mastering the intricate details of the ceremony, from the precise movements to the subtle expressions, all to ensure the comfort and enjoyment of their guests. The tea ceremony is a delicate dance of grace and precision, a reflection of the Japanese pursuit of perfection. The tea master's every move is measured and purposeful, mirroring the discipline and dedication that is characteristic of Japanese society. The ceremony is an embodiment of ichigo ichi, a concept that means one time, one meeting. It encapsulates the Japanese belief in cherishing every encounter, as it will never recur in the exact same way. The beauty and grace of Japanese women, their role in traditional ceremonies, and their embodiment of omotenashi are all integral parts of the Japanese experience. They contribute to a hospitality that is uniquely Japanese, a blend of tradition and grace that leaves an indelible impression on every visitor. Japan, a place where tradition, beauty, and hospitality intertwine. Before we continue, can I beg a little favor? If you're liking what you're hearing, show us some love by pressing that like button. And hey, if you want to be in the loop for our fantastic upcoming videos, make sure to press subscribe and ring that bell so you're always in the know. Oh, and one more thing. Drop a quick I subscribe down in the comments and I'll make sure to offer you a warm welcome to our amazing family. All right, enough of that. Let's keep the conversation flowing. Our second stop is South Korea, the jewel of the East, a nation where the beauty of its women is rivaled only by its stunning landscapes. South Korean women, with their radiant complexions and striking features, are the embodiment of grace and poise. They play an integral role in the country's hospitality, welcoming guests with warmth and kindness that's deeply rooted in their culture. South Korea is a land of intriguing customs and traditions, many of which revolve around the concept of respect. The Korean bow, a gesture of acknowledgement and reverence, is a perfect example. This custom is not just a mere inclination of the body, it is a symbol of humility, a testament to the deep-seated values of the Korean people. But the beauty of South Korean women extends beyond their physical attributes and the traditions they uphold. It is in their resilience, their strength, and their unwavering spirit. It's in the way they effortlessly balance the old with the new, honoring their rich heritage while embracing the dynamism of the modern world. And then there's the famous Korean skincare regimen, a testament to their commitment to beauty and self-care. This meticulous routine, often involving 10 or more steps, is a ritual practiced by many Korean women, further accentuating their natural allure. South Korea, a country that beautifully melds tradition with modernity. It's a place where the beauty of its women is a reflection of the country's captivating charm and enchanting allure. Finally, we arrive at our top destination, China, the mighty Red Dragon. A nation steeped in history, China is a captivating blend of ancient traditions and modern innovations. Home to the Great Wall, the terracotta warriors, and the dazzling metropolis of Shanghai, it's a destination that never fails to inspire and amaze. But what truly sets China apart is its hospitality, deeply rooted in the country's rich cultural heritage. Chinese women, renowned for their timeless beauty and grace, play a pivotal role in this. Their elegance and charm are integral to traditional welcoming ceremonies, imbuing them with a distinctive allure that leaves a lasting impression. These ceremonies are a spectacle to behold. The hostess, adorned in traditional attire, greets guests with a warm smile, serving them tea, a symbol of respect and friendship in Chinese culture. It's an experience that elevates the simple act of welcoming into an art form, a dance of grace and etiquette that reflects the very essence of Chinese hospitality. But it's not just about the ceremonies, it's about the people, the women who serve as the face of this hospitality. Their beauty is more than just physical, it's a beauty that stems from their warmth, their kindness, their cultural pride. They embody the spirit of China, its past, its present, and its future. China, a country where the past and present coexist, offering guests an enchanting experience of beauty and warmth.